What's going on, guys? So today I'm not really doing a whole lot of anything. I wanted to drive my car around. Well, I gotta work first. I gotta go to a job to make money. Today is actually Monday. What I'm thinking about doing is not today. I'm gonna come home. I'm finishing up Hot Import Nights. I spent 15 hours yesterday just editing it. So I have everything on a timeline. Everything is synced up to the music. I'm currently on doing effects and stuff right now. And then I do a bunch of sound design. I'm going to do a bunch of other stuff. I probably still have about a total of 30 something hours left to do, roughly. If I don't set myself a deadline for videos, especially stuff like this, I will spend entirely way too much time on them and just keep re-editing them, putting different clips in, and just kind of like keep doing stuff. So I have to set deadlines for myself, not particularly for other people. I mean, yeah, with a client, set deadlines, but it also makes me like edit it and get it out as soon as possible instead of like, oh, I could do this, or I could do this, or this could be done better, da 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 da. And my personal opinion is to always kind of like let yourself make mistakes and then learn from them in future videos. I have like barely any sunlight on me, but you know, fix those mistakes in future videos instead of trying to cram everything in one video. You know, everybody needs breaks. If you just kind of work yourself to death, you're gonna get bored. You're not gonna want to do it anymore, and that's what happened to me for a brief period of time, which is why for a minute I wasn't posting as much as I was. Is literally the video stuff was the only thing I had until I got the BMW, and now I enjoy driving again, so now I have two things to kind of go back and forth with. But that being said, I wanted to let you guys know everything that's going on with HIN. It is going to be a sweet video. Super stoked. I watched it with just how it is right now. I've watched it like 8 different times, and every time I like fall more and more in love with it. I'm like, damn, this is great. Like, I honestly believe that it's, you know, like, oh my god, I actually edited it. But yeah, I actually like did the video, and like I'm like blown away by it. HIN. I don't know when it's gonna drop. Hopefully later this week. If I have nothing else going on, I have some other stuff to go with. I'm partnered with TunerZen. The production company is partnered with Flash Media right now. So I'm actually working with a startup business right now. They're a marketing agency. I'm going to be doing the videography for a lot of the projects. So commercials, stuff like that for Instagram, Facebook, and all like network marketing stuff. So that's kind of a big update right there. I know this whole beginning part's pretty long, but it's been a minute. I've been super busy. I'm actually going to go drive this car. I want to take this car on like a little photo shoot. Not today, tomorrow. I'm just making the first part of this video today. So tomorrow I want to take it, because it's going to be nice this week. I want to take it, go do a small little photo shoot with it, and then post up some of the pictures for you guys. So let's fast forward to Tuesday, I guess. I'll see you on Tuesday. And it's not Tuesday. It's actually Monday still. Anyways, you guys can't see shit, but this is HIN. Yeah, it's not showing up on camera, but I am filming this because actually we're going to fix my CV axle right now. Why am I fixing my CV axle right now? Well, I broke it, finally. Well, I'm going to say finally. But my roommate said to do a burnout, and I ain't a bitch. So I did a burnout and just snapped it. So on the flip side is I figured out that it wasn't my right side CV axle that was going out that I thought it was. It was actually my left, because that was the one that broke. The right didn't break. The right's fine. So at least I learned that, and at least I know now exactly which one is broken for sure. So I'm gonna take it to one of my drift buddies, Julian house. My drift buddy's house. His name is Julian. That was a fucked up sentence. There, he's gonna help me fix it. He has E36 is what he drifts, so like he's like, dude, we can fix this in like 30 minutes. And I'm like, tight. Anyways, let's start driving over there. I'm gonna need this. Oh, one hand. There we go. Alright, let's make our way to the car. Well, luckily Julian lives really close, so I don't have to like really drive this thing far. see if you can hear it. It pulls so fucking hard. I'm gonna have to put my camera down. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get there. Oh, it's dark. I'm not gonna be able to focus. But let's grab the axle real quick. You can't see until we make it back to the garage. Show you guys what's in the box. That's his drift car. That's his other, well, he is actually swapping it. That's what he said. And that's Julian.
What's up?
What's up? Open this with one hand. Okay. Oh wait, no. There we go. Oh, is that grease? Yes, it is. Oh, look at that. How thoughtful of them. Awesome. Cool. Now we just gotta figure out a way to get the car in here and then start tearing it down, I guess. It's easy. That's a good answer.
That's a good question. That's a good question I haven't thought of. We'll figure it out.
Alright. I'll set my camera down so we can figure out what we're moving. So is this like the only jacking point for these cars?
What?
These like mounts right here, the like OEM hand jack shit.
Yeah.
Huh.
And then yeah, under that you can feel that little divot.
Yeah, like right here.
Yeah, and that's where the jack stand goes.
Huh.
That's where it's reinforced.
That's it?
Yep.
Damn.
Jack it up by the rear end usually.
Yeah.
By the diff, the little cross member, the mounting plate.
Right.
Alright. You good to drop it?
Yeah. Just slowly, I don't know. I guess I wasn't 100% on it, but that's okay.
It doesn't matter.
It's good enough, yeah.
They already swapped your axle, bro.
This was a drift car.
Well, use OEM ones if you can.
Why?
These things don't last. Mine doesn't last. I got mine aftermarket. And like a dumbass traded my old OEM one in for the $5 core. Should have just rebuilt my OEM one.
Is the OEM one stronger?
Yeah, it's just way beefier.
Huh.
The axle itself and the joint, the CD joint.
Huh. Well, next time I'll make sure. So that means the passenger side's probably been swapped too, which means that shit might bust here soon.
Yeah, it's a 12-point. It's been swapped. Just have a working handbrake?
No.
Okay.
That's why I gotta get a hydro. In the meantime, a lot of clutch kicking.
You probably just need to tighten them up.
Yeah, probably actually. I'll work on that, and I'll probably just pull out the button. Damn. Looks like it was bending from this angle.
Probably.
You don't need my foot anymore?
No, you should be good.
Let me just yeet myself out of the car.
So, that is what your CV axle should not look like. Look at that big old hole. Ripped the casing open. Pretty impressed, actually. We're going to hammer that, and we're going to get these bolts off. Pull it out, and then pull it out from over there. And just kind of like, yeah, should be fun.
Boom. There's that. That's what that. Let's zoom in on that. Jesus. Look at that CV axle. That thing is freaking toast. What came out of that? Oh, what's up?
What's up?
Damn. That's where it split right there. Yeah, this whole thing just gave up on life. Dude.
Yo, is there a piece in there?
It's a trophy.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's like covered in grease.
Probably bearings and shit.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's almost coming out.
Big ball bearing. Chunk.
It's a fucking.
It's a chunk of the casing.
It's a fucking chunk in there, dude. That's so awesome.
Probably lost your bearings, man. It's supposed to be big ass ball bearings in there.
Yeah, supposed to, right? Not anymore. That shit just yeeted out of there. That's awesome. Cool. Well, let's put in that new one over there. There's these bolts holes right here that you want to take out of. I'm trying to point at it, but it's hard to hold the phone and a camera at the same time. But yeah, so right up in there, I take those out. So obviously, first thing you want to do is take your wheel off and then unbolt these bolts, and then take a pry bar or crowbar or whatever and start yeeting the CV axle out, and then just drop it from right here, and then take a hammer, and that little hole, let me refocus again, that little hole over there that you see, that hole right there, just take a hammer to that and plop it out, and then get a new one and do everything in reverse. And that's how you replace a CV axle. It's a pretty easy way. There's multiple ways of doing it. This is actually a new way that I learned how to do it. And it was way more simpler and faster. So this is the way I'm going to do it now. And yeah, so now we're going to put in a new one. What your CV axle should look like and what it shouldn't look like. Especially with pieces just hanging out. What it should, what it shouldn't. This is, I'm going to keep this though. I'm going to hang it on my wall. Little trophy, you know. I don't hunt or anything like that for trophy. So I break car parts. And that's my trophy. So, yeah. Oh, fingers in the lens. But yeah. New, old. Alright, so we're under the car right now. Kind of just working on it. Anyways, there's the new CV axle. And this one is my other one. I'm going to probably end up replacing this. Probably soon. Normally when one part goes bad, the other one is not far along. So, I'm going to buy 2 CV axles. One for when this breaks, and then one for backup in case any of them ever break again. We're currently putting the sway bar back together because we had to disconnect it to make some room. Also, another thing too is the diff. We actually had to unscrew the bolt on the driver's side to lower it just a little bit to kind of wiggle this in, and then raise it back up to seat it, and then get the bolts in and everything like that. So, yeah. But that's all in. I'm gonna probably get out of here once this is all done, ready to go, because I am fucking tired. And I got work in the morning. So get out under the car real quick. So I'm gonna probably end this video when I get home. But yeah, no, this is Julian's drift car. Same thing. Look at that. He's on BC coilovers. I'm on shitty springs. I'll have to get some coilovers soon. So he's giving me some good recommendations to go check out, and he's got seats. You can't see, it's dark, but yeah. Anyways, I'm actually pretty stoked because I just really want to put this thing on the track and get some seat time. That's just what I'm really excited about with this car, and to, you know, bring you guys along with it too, because man, it's something I've been wanting to do with the Supra. But, you know, life, and now I've just kind of like said, you know what, fuck whatever life throws at me, I'm just going to do what I want to do, and not worry about consequences until they actually happen. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. We got some work to do on this. Coils is the next thing I'm going to get for this, and then a set of tires and wheels, and then we'll kind of go from there. So, yeah, we're going to finish up here, get the car, you know, put back together. And then after that, I will see you guys at the house. Alright, so, yeah, I'm home now. I'm super tired. I'm gonna go to bed. It's like 2:30 in the morning. So, we got it fixed. I don't know. Julian thought it might have been, like, not rotating properly, but then the other CV axle that I currently have on the passenger side, I mean, does the same shit.
so maybe it's fine. I just drove it all the way back. I didn't really like get to drive it. Tomorrow before I go to work, I'm gonna, you know, drive around the school a little bit in like circles, see if I hear any more clinking noises, and see if it's actually seated properly and all that. It should be. I mean, we did everything right. So Julian's done it a couple times before. I've only done it once before. So I'm gonna go on the safe side and say we're good. I'm excited to actually like drive the car tomorrow, like I wanted to do, instead of spending my day tomorrow fixing the car. So shout out to Julian for just letting me drop by this late at night and just help me fix the car and get it done quicker than I would have the next day. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Stay tuned for the HIN video, guys. It's gonna be freaking lit, and I wish it was longer. I wish I had more footage to actually use for the video. I tried to get features and stuff like that. I tried to work my magic to get more people to be a part of the video, but it didn't quite happen. So hopefully the next event, I know the show season's pretty much over, but the next event next season, we can make something happen. If you guys want to get in, just shoot me a message on Facebook or whatever, and we can go from there. And on that note, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.